2 weeks ago, one country just abandoned a marriage that lasted 55 years, and it's not a breakup anyone saw coming. The United Arab Emirates, one of the world's top three oil producers, walked out of OPEC and OPEC Plus. And here is what you need to know. This decision could reshape global energy markets, inflation, and your portfolio. I am Mohey-ud-din, and this is what happened, and more importantly, why it matters. We'll discuss. Quick context: OPEC, the Organization of Oil Exporting Countries, has controlled about 40% of, of the oil of the world's oil since 1960. It's basically the cartel that decides how much oil gets pumped, which directly influences prices you see at the fuel station and inflation you feel in your wallet. The UAE was number 3. They controlled 12% of OPEC's total output, and as of May 2026, they are gone. Here is the first thing you need to understand: OPEC members don't produce as much as they could. They follow quotas, production limits. It is how the cartel keeps prices high by deliberately undersupplying the market. The UAE has been furious about this for years. They have the capacity to pump 5 million barrels a day by 2027, but OPEC kept them on the tightest leash in the organization. As one analyst put it, they had the most stringent quota despite having the ability to produce far more. So imagine you own a factory and you can make a million widgets, but your boss says you can only make 700,000 for decades. That is the UAE's frustration. But there is a second bigger story here. This is not just about the oil quotas. This is about two regional powers that used to be friends and now they are not. 2015, Saudi Arabia and UAE fought together against Iran-backed Houthis rebels in Yemen, United Front. December 2025, that unity shattered. Saudi Arabia bombed what it said was the weapon shipment going to UAE backed Yemeni separatists. The partnership broke and things gone cold, very cold. Meanwhile, the war between US, Israel, and Iran in February this year, the UAE decided that Washington, Paris, and Tel Aviv had been better allies in a crisis that their own neighbors. That is a seismic shift in the Middle Eastern politics. The third driver is happening right now in real time. The Strait of Hormuz, a narrow checkpoint between Iran and Oman, normally carries one fifth of oil and gas supplies, one fifth. But Iran had been attacking ships, launching drones and missiles, and those attacks are directly hitting the UAE. The UAE's exports are strangled. The strait is nearly closed. But here is the strategic move by leaving OPEC now. They are saying the moment this war ends and shipping opens up again, we are going to flood the market with oil, and OPEC cannot stop us. It is a calculated bet on the freedom of action. So happen here is what happens next and why you should care. First, price volatility risk. OPEC's whole job is to act as a shock absorber. When markets get tight, OPEC cranks up production to stabilize prices. The UAE was one of the few members with spare capacity to do that. Without them, OPEC is structurally weaker. That means bigger price swings. Second, Saudi Arabia's burden just increased. With the UAE gone, Saudi Arabia is now doing most of the heavy lifting to keep prices stable. They are a shock absorber, and Saudi Arabia is already dealing with the economic pressure. This concentration of responsibility is vulnerability. Third, the timing paradox. Right now, the Strait of Hormuz is practically closed, so the UAE can't immediately export more oil. The impact isn't immediate, but when the waterway opens, and it will, we could see a production surge that flood the market. If you are pricing in stable energy cost for the next 5 to 10 years, this changes that calculus. 55 years. That is long time for any partnership to last. The question isn't whether the UAE was right to leave. From their perspective, they absolutely were. The real question is, what does this tell us about the OPEC's future? Is OPEC dying or just transforming? Because if membership can unravel this quickly, if national interest can override decades of alliance, then the cartel's power to manage global oil market just got a lot weaker. And for economists and investors, that uncertainty is a story to watch. I am Mohey-ud-din. Stay curious. We'll be following this closely.